Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's find the software information. We have to tap on it because we have to localize the build number. It will help us to activate the developer options. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, the developer mode has been enabled. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock, so for example pattern, pin or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to scroll down again, and as you can see under the About Phone we've got the developer options. So let's enter, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the transition animation scale. We've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and overall to the networking, or for example we've got the feature flags, we've got bug report shortcut, and so on and so on. So if you want to turn on the feature, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the, for example, animator duration scale, just tap on it in order to open much more options, advanced options. And if you're done with customization of developer options, if you decide to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher at the very top. And as you can see, the options are inactive, you cannot manage them, and after getting back, and the developer options will disappear from under the About Phone. But of course, no worries, you can customize the backend, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.